Hello and welcome everyone to the channel. MrCarMAN here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to change the batteries on your Audi key fob. Currently my batteries are completely dead. It's not unlocking or locking the car. So let's get started. We're going to start off by removing the blade key, push the button and pull out. Then inside there's a plastic tabbing and there's a button on it as well. You're going to push it down and firmly pull this plastic piece out. It's going to be a little bit tight because there's a rubber seal around it, but once it's out, the battery is revealed and the battery is just going to come right out. And then I'm going to grab the new battery and reinstall it in. And this is where you need to be very careful. You have to put it back in the same position you took it out of. One side is positive, one side is negative. So just be careful when you're reinstalling this back. But once the battery's in, I'm going to go in the reverse process, put it all back in, put the blade key back in, and then test it. And there you have it. My key fob finally works. It's locking, unlocking, everything is good to go. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy DIY video for your Audi. And like always, I would really appreciate you guys hitting the like button. And I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.